This is an ocean floor map. It really emphasizes what the bottom of the ocean looks like as opposed to the continents. And if we start up here with North America, we can see off the coast of Florida how this looks like it's level almost with the soil, with the continent itself. So this will be our continental shelf. Then as it gets to a little bit lighter color here, it drops down. So this will be our continental slope. Down here in South America is even better. You can really see the tremendously large continental shelf they have out here. And then it's more obvious that this is a slope. And on the real map itself, you can feel it drop down. This is actually like a sliding board. It's a slope. Then we move out into the abyssal plain, world's flattest part of the earth, the abyssal plain. Then we move on over to the mid-Atlantic ridge, which is a mid-ocean ridge. We just call this one the Mid-Atlantic because it does divide up the Atlantic Ocean. And we can go all the way up here, and there's Iceland up there. What's really interesting about this map is if you look right here carefully, you can really just about make out the actual Rift Valley, because we said that every mid-ocean ridge, right down the middle of it, we have the Rift Valley. Again, right here, you can see a little tiny line, cracks. So we can see the mid-ocean ridge, and then there's the Rift Valley. And look, again, as we've said, this is the world's longest chain of mountains. The Rift Valley is what separates, is what divides the earth and makes it get larger. And here we have India being shoved up into Asia, and we have the Himalayas, the Himalaya mountains up here. And this mid-ocean ridge is pushing India into it, causing it to continue to grow. Down here we have some seamounts. Lots of places we have seamounts, really, really large seamounts. And right there you can see a little bit of land on top of that one where it sticks up. And anywhere it sticks up, we call it an island. It's hard to tell, but I think this may be Bermuda, which again is an island. On this particular map, we can't see Hawaii, but Hawaiian Islands would be over here somewhere. And again, there are islands, there are seamounts. And remember, most seamounts start out as volcanoes. They do not reach the surface of the ocean. If they do reach the surface and stick up above it, then we call them islands. If the tops have been smoothed off and flattened down by waves, we call them geos. Okay?